Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tally multi-user. First, install Tally Prime on your designated server computer. Next, configure the data path to allow shared access across your network. This ensures all client computers can connect seamlessly. Make sure all client machines are on the same local area network for optimal performance. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth multi-user experience. Once Tally is installed, enable data sharing within the Tally Prime settings on the server. It is important to grant appropriate user permissions to maintain data security and integrity. After setting permissions, verify that all client computers can successfully access the shared data path. This step confirms that your multi-user environment is ready for collaborative work, allowing multiple users to work simultaneously. Now, install Tally Prime on each client computer that will be accessing the shared data. Configure these client installations to connect directly to the server's shared data path. This connection allows each user to work with the same company files. Always ensure stable network connectivity for all client machines to prevent data corruption or access issues. This setup makes collaboration efficient. To maintain a robust multi-user Tally environment, regularly back up your Tally data files to prevent any loss. Implement strong passwords for all user accounts to enhance security and protect sensitive financial information. For those looking to improve their financial understanding, a book that can truly change how you think about money is available. Check the description for a link to this book and other great deals. Always ensure your Tally software is updated for the best performance and security features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.